I make anywhere from $50,000 on a slow month to over $100,000 a month when it's busy. And I'm not some business genius, guys. I used to buy cheap beat up cars and I rented them out to people who actually needed them for work. Now I know what you're thinking. You're assuming I'm about to tell you to go drop $200,000 plus on a Lamborghini. Yeah, I run an exotic car rental business in Dallas, but that's my personal thing. What I'm about to show you guys though is the boring, beat up economy car version of that. The one that's made my students anywhere from 5,000 to over 20, 30, 40K a month with just a handful of cheap cars. Sterling and Tyler went from 0 to over 22 cars in about 2 to 3 years using the same exact system. And here's the best part. While everyone is chasing the AI shiny object syndrome and watching their jobs disappear overnight, this 120-year-old business model just keeps on printing cash. So follow along. I'll show you exactly how it works, while it keeps winning in 2026, and how to start your own. So let's get right into it. But first, let me take a drink, guys. This is Woodford Reserve. Normally, I like the double oak, but I'm out here in Aruba, the Ritz-Carlton, enjoying the beautiful weather. I couldn't get the double oak, but this will have to be. It's amazing. Real good. Smooth. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right, so section number 1, let's jump into it. So pick the right car. This is the biggest beginner mistake. Thinking you need Teslas, BMWs, or fancy SUVs. That's a Turo trap. You're in 50K in debt, 40% of it lost in Turo fees, constant cleaning, tons of thousands of competitors in your city. Instead, the winners are Ford Fusions, Hyundai Elantras, Toyota Priuses, Honda Accords, Nissan Altimas, anything under $10,000 each, ideally between $2,000 to $5,000. Guys, why does this work? Cheap to buy, cheap to fix. Renters don't care if it's flashy. You actually get to sleep at night. And then here's the pivot, guys. I run exotics as my personal business. Every student starts with the boring cars first. Exotics are the flex. Economy cars are the cash flow. So here's how to buy them. I don't want you paying retail. Sterling paid $80,000 for his first fleet of 3 cars. Paid retail prices before I taught him how to buy these things way cheaper at wholesale. And guess what? They were gone before a single renter. Next is, guys, you want to fix for that is buy wholesale. Partner with a dealer for an auction access, right? Or you go get your own auction license. All right, depending on your state, it costs you anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 in fees. You guys can also finance these using like business credit cards with 0% interest, like Navy Federal, US Bank. These guys can give you up to $50,000 and you can use those to go buy a whole fleet of cars. The car isn't where you get rich, guys. It's how you buy the car. That's where you get rich. If you want me to personally walk you through this step by step and build a plan around your money and your market, I want you guys to click the link in the description to book a call with me. All right, this isn't for tire kickers, but if you're ready to start, guys, you're cash ready and you're ready to start, and you know this is something you want to do, I'll show you exactly how to get started. Section number 2, how to find the renters. All right, this is the gig economy gold mine. All right, we're not looking for the vacationers. We're not looking for the weekend Turo user. Right, your customer is the gig worker. Think Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, DoorDash drivers, Amazon Flex, Instacart. They need you. They can't make a dollar without a reliable car. All right, they rent long-term only, like months, weeks, sometimes a full year, and they pay anywhere from $300 to $550 a week, depending on the market. Now you don't have to do cleaning in between, none of that stuff. All right, no daily key handoffs, no Truro inbox at 2 a.m. You're not dealing with any of that stuff. And the beautiful thing about this, guys, is almost like you're their boss and you're empowering them. I want you to think about this like you're giving these people cars and you're telling them, hey, I'm giving you a car. I'm going to take care of all the maintenance and all of that stuff. Hey, if you're feeling generous, even pay for the insurance. And then you just send them out there, let them go out there and go make money. And then they pay you every week. So it's almost like you have this army of people out there that you're empowering to go out there to go put food on their families' tables, and you're giving them the vehicle to do that. And then in exchange, they need to pay your rent every single week. So now you're a boss. You're setting up your own empire of people out there going out there and generating revenue and paying you back a commission, so to speak, every week from the revenue they generate. Now, how do you find this army of people, guys? Social media posts, all right, Facebook Marketplace, flyers at body shops, mechanic shops, car wrapping places, anywhere drivers already are. Okay, one renter will also tell their friends, so always ask for referrals. Build a wait list before you even have enough cars. Guys, finding renters is typically the easy part. The hard part is having enough cars to keep up with the demand. And that's a very good problem to have in this industry. All right, now let's jump into section 3. Why this keeps winning in 2026, guys. Every make money online player right now has a ceiling. Amazon FBA is getting crushed by fees. Drop shipping margins are dying. White collar jobs are getting replaced every day by AI. Guys, every AI wrapper business is just shiny object syndrome. But this business is the complete opposite. Hertz has been doing this since 1918. And I didn't invent this, guys. It's an over 120-year-old proven business model. It's recession-proof. Think back to COVID, guys. Only people driving during COVID were the delivery drivers. They still needed cars. Who do you think gave them those cars? People like us, right? So when the economy tanks, the gig work explodes. More layoffs equals more renters. AI is replacing white collar work, not delivery work. Nobody's teaching a robot to drop off your Chipotle off at your door, all right? Every accountant, every coder, every copywriter, they're all being cut by AI. A lot of them are now turning to gig work on the side to pay their rent. So that means more renters for you. Guys, transportation is a basic need. Recession, booms, pandemic, AI, people still need to go from point A to point B. All right, so now section 4, how to protect your car's risk management. This is the part everybody just skips over. And it's why they lose their cars and then they quit. I had a car stolen from me when I first started, and I didn't have the right risk management processes in place. I had to learn from that experience and put the right controls in place. So now I don't go through any of that anymore. And then the good thing about it too is I have to leverage my Bank of America and Chase Bank corporate experience in tech and cyber operational risk management, put the right vetting processes and all of that in place where now, anytime a car goes out, I make sure I can go sleep at night knowing that it's going to come back safely. All right, because I learned from that first experience. I just thought, hey, this people that could be trusted, and but in this business we trust, but we verify. So I learned my lesson earlier on in my journey, and it's never happened again because I had the right processes in place. So here's the system every student learns, right? They always have their commercial insurance. That can cost you anywhere from $60 to $120 per month. They're getting GPS trackers in every car, and that's anywhere from $80 to about $150 one-time fee. You need rental software, right? Like Fleet Finesse. That's anywhere from $97 to $147 a month. There's a 7-day trial. We do proper vetting. All right, we'll authorize you credit card authorizations. We have the right contract language that protects you. All right, you run the processes right, your car will always come back. All right, every car lost happens because someone skipped a step. They rented before the tracker was installed. All right, insurance wasn't finalized. They wanted the money too fast. Guys, your car's anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000. Even the worst case isn't bankrupting anyone. That's the good part. But with this system, the worst case rarely happens at all. Next section, adding more cars. All right, so now making more money. Each economy car nets you anywhere from $1,000 to $1,600 per month after everything. All right, so your freedom number math is this: 3 cars would make you $5,000, 6 cars would make you $10,000, 9 cars would make you $15,000 a month. So figure out that number. That's your freedom number that replaces your 9 to 5 job. Figure out how many cars that will take. That's your short-term goal. And these are real student numbers. All right, one student made $21,000 on a single customer on a Malibu over a year. Another one made over $15,720 from a customer in 9 months. I rented out one of my Teslas for $2,400 a month. Look at Sterling and Tyler. They have over 22 cars. Imagine how much they're making. Or Eduardo, anywhere from went from 0 to 18 cars in just 2 months. I have never seen that level of scale ever done before like Eduardo did. And that's what's possible in this industry. Now, here's how to scale without blowing up. I don't want you guys buying car number 2 until car number 1 is already placed on the road and the systems are going smooth, all right? Stay in the economy car lane. That's where the margins live, all right? Reinvest the first months of profit into more cars. It's a snowball effect. All right? One car will feed the next. Your wait list is building. Side income turns into replacement income, guys, faster than you even think, right? Now, look, that's the full system. This isn't rocket science, right? You buy cheap cars, boring cars. You rent them to people who actually need them to work. Build an army of soldiers for yourself, all right? And you protect them with the right systems. Then you add more cars as the money comes in. That's it. It's boring, and boring is exactly why it keeps winning while everyone else is chasing the next shiny thing. So if you want me to personally walk you through this and build a plan for your situation, click the link in the description and book a call with me. This isn't for tire kickers. You need to be serious with your money or credit and ready to invest. But if you are, I'll show you exactly what to do. The same way I've shown Sterling, Tyler, Eduardo, and hundreds of my other students. Guys, if you're not ready for a call yet, no problem. I have a little mini course on this channel that goes even deeper than this video. You can click the card on the screen or in the link in the description. Once again, I don't make any promises. I don't know you from a can of paint. For all I know, you could be the laziest person out there. All right. This video is only for entertainment purposes only. All right. So I don't want you coming on this call or coming into my program and thinking that this is a get rich quick scheme. This is only for executors and it's only for people that have realistic expectations. All right. Now, if that's you and you're serious and you have the income to invest, guys, I want you to click the link right now so we can go ahead and see if this is a good fit and work out your plan and get you on the way to scaling up and making good money in this industry. All right. So guys, I want you guys to also like this video and please subscribe so we can keep growing this channel, trying to hit 50,000 subscribers. So I want to thank you guys very much for all the love so far, and I'll see you on the next one.